If you need to add metadata, link external CSS resources, or apply custom styles, paste your code in the head code section. This injects your code right before the closing head tag across every page. If you're adding functional scripts, scroll down and paste them into the footer code section, which places them right before the closing body tag. Once you have pasted your code, always remember to click the Save Changes button. Now, if you only want this custom code to run on one specific page, the process is just as easy. Inside the Webflow Designer, open your Pages panel on the left side and click the gear icon next to the specific page you want to edit. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Settings panel to find the Custom Code section. Just like the site-wide settings, you'll find dedicated areas for both the inside head tag and the before body tag. Paste your page-specific tags and scripts here, save your changes, and publish your project. Once your site is published, it will execute those custom scripts and styles flawlessly, giving you completely tailored functionality and a highly upgraded visitor experience precisely where you need it, without bloating your entire project with unnecessary global code. If this code implementation guide helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more straightforward Webflow tutorials. Drop a comment below letting me know what custom script you're trying to install next, and I will see you in the next video.